Hi, my name is Brittany Shepherd, and this is my cultural exposure presentation. My cultural exposure event involved attending a festival in culture from South Asia. This experience deepened my appreciation for the rich traditions and the vibrant music, colorful attire, and welcoming atmosphere left a lasting impression. The event served as a powerful reminder of the importance of honoring one's own cultural heritage, the significance of our roots. At this event and in research, I learned about some common attitudes, their religion, and immigration. Indian Americans place a high value on family and interconnected relationships. Family gatherings typically encompass grandparents and full generations to reside together. Elders are instrumental in raising children, ensuring traditional and frequent celebrations that showcase their cultural heritage. Furthermore, these families the importance of education, imparting the value of learning to their children from a young age. In their religion, Hinduism is the predominant ethnic religion among them, playing a crucial cultural identity. Although some individuals may identify as Christians, Muslims, or follow other religions, Indian Americans constitute as the second largest immigrant group in the United States, including the newcomers residents. South Asia, due to religious preferences, language barriers, traditions, or heritage, skin color, status. For example, adolescents, adolescent Indian Americans reported that discriminatory comments are made about Indian culture, language, or religion. Indian Americans have experiences with internalized racism, which is a form of oppression, to silently create division, increasing their power and leading them to fight among themselves to fit in and not to be at the bottom. So, two effective counseling theories are therapy and family systems counseling. And so CBT is effective for the South Asian, especially when cultural adaptation is integrated, like gift giving and interdependent conceptualization. Also, family systems counseling is effective within this population due to their family orientation. This festival featured a vibrant marketplace and an extensive selection of culinary delights. I gained insight into their unique style of apparel, jewelry, home expressions. It was evident that the community was warm and deeply valued the celebration of their heritage, and this cultural event profoundly influenced my life. I learned about the significance of family bonds, the importance of and the depth of their cultural richness. In conclusion, engaging in the cultural event deepened my insights into American Indian culture, values, and social interaction. Understanding will be beneficial when making initial contact with clients and conducting counseling sessions, or possessing relevant background information will help in building rapport and customizing in with cultural norms. For example, I will be aware of how to appropriately address clients, recognizing that family and tradition hold significant importance for them. So this is the end to the little Indian festival.